I made this video because, as you may know, the G-Shock GBD-200 does not have an hourly beep, unfortunately. I don't know why. Almost any other G-Shock are able to beep every hour, but I found an alternative for this problem. The alternative is to pair the watch with your smartphone, iPhone or Android, to make sure that you allow notification on your G-Shock watch, and to download an app, not necessarily this one, I'll give you a few examples. This one is Hourly Chime, that will send you a hourly notification on your phone. And since both of these are connected, you're gonna receive that notification on your watch as well, and it will beep when you'll receive it. So if you have an iPhone, I found this one that works great. It's called Hourly Chime. But if you are on Android, there's an app called Alarm Clock Extreme that also works the same way. It's able to send you a notification every hour. Obviously, there's probably hundreds of other apps that are able to do the same exact thing. And I know for many people this won't be a great alternative because they don't want to have a notification on their phone every hour, but this is the best thing I found yet to overcome this small issue. If you have other solutions on how to make your watch, your GBD-200, beep every hour, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm really curious. If not, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.